Hey. Welcome back. Whew. I just ran up the steps to get from getting me something to drink, and I feel like I'm about to pass out. Anyway, with that being said, we are going to go ahead and get into this video. So I received, a message from one of my beautiful subbies. And the message basically would summed it up where it was about Gerard. Okay. Now, Gerard so-called has it that he opened up a GoFundMe, all right, to get a lawyer for divorce. Okay. Now, y'all do remember when Chrissy signed up for a lawyer on GoFundMe trying to get some, money raised so therefore she could get her son, but it never ever worked? Yeah. So I'm like, well, he went ahead on and he signed up so he could get a lawyer. Now, everything was a little bit off about this. First of all, his name was spelled incorrectly. Chrissy's name was spelled incorrect. And not only that, but it just doesn't seem right. It just doesn't. When you look at DeMarcus, the bum, when you look at him, nothing screams out intelligent. Nothing screams out genius. Nothing screams out smart. None of that is a characteristic that would fix. Is a characteristic that, her ex-husband holds. None of it. When you look at him, you can already see what type of job that he actually could have. You don't even have to ask him. We already know whatever he does is mechanical. Whatever he does, it is not outside. Whatever he does, it's not really hard, he is basically an open book when it comes to like intelligency. We can see exactly what level he is on. Now, Chrissy is not too far from him. People make it seem like, and she try to make it seem like she a boss, but no, she's not. But also, this is the thing that got me about Chrissy. So the other day, she decided to go ahead and open up some classes, basically to show you how to be a YouTuber. All right. Now, I'm going to tell y'all like this. How are any of you that signed up for that class? It makes no sense. I'm going to be honest. Most of the stuff that you are going to, learn, it's all online. Like, you don't need nobody to, show you. When I first started YouTube, I didn't get no shout outs. I didn't get anything of that nature. I just went and did what I had to do and then got tired and stayed out for 2 years and then came right back. Okay? Now, I don't know. But yeah, anyway, she called herself being, I guess, like a tutorer, I guess a boss class to become a YouTuber. But my thing is how is she going to do that? Sometimes what she does is she stays off of YouTube for sometimes a month at a time. And you mean to tell me you getting ready to open up a class to show people what you are supposed to do? How you are supposed to act? No, that makes no sense. So I'm telling y'all, I wouldn't pay for shit. What y'all need to do is go online and whatever you actually need help in, whether it's thumbnails, whether it's editing, I mean, whatever. You could do all of that on your own. You really don't need anyone to actually give you a class. I'm sorry. I'm going to tell you, it is what it is. It's kind of like when you open up your channel, okay? Point blank simple, you want to have subscribers. I mean, you should, if that's the case, I'm just using this as an example. Is that the case? You need to go to people that are interested in the same thing that you are and making videos and talk to them. You need to go to the people that you know and you watch where their thumbnails are serious. Then you need to go through them for thumbnails. You need to create your niche. And what that means is, though, do videos about what you want your channel to be about. When people are doing lives, come on in, sit down, have a seat, and go back and forth with the people in the chat, with the hostess that is posting the live. Do all of that. For YouTube, I'm gonna tell you the shit. You have to work for YouTube. You do not get subscribers from just handed out to you. No, you don't. Your content has to be good, and your thumbnails is what brings them in. You got to make sure that is good. So, yeah, I don't think any of you who is taking this master YouTube class that she is putting out, which it should actually be free, free. I mean, you have to look at it too. You're paying someone the money to help you, but Chrissy only has 129,000. Chrissy has been on this platform for over 3 years. So, for some reason, she still is not where she should be. Not at all. For 8 years. Chrissy has just started making money and sponsorships. All right? I'm not saying this year. I'm not saying last year or the year before. Yeah, she just started. So, with that being said, I don't think that, I mean, I wouldn't do it. I sure wouldn't. And, no, I'm going to just be honest with y'all. No, I wouldn't do it. Probably some of the information that you need, most likely, you could go ahead and Google that. Yeah. I'm telling y'all, go right on in. YouTube, anything that y'all want to know, type it in, and the video comes right up. And most of the time, that person will show you step by step on what to do. It's already out there. It's already out there when you need to edit. They already have software out there. So go right on, ask or look first to see how they are using it and go from there. If you don't understand, a lot of times what you should do is email the person that is actually showing you how to do what it is that you need. Now, a lot of time people, they do not have their email, but you can go into their comments. I mean, at times there was stuff that I myself did not know. So I would get right on the internet, right on YouTube, and I would type in what I wanted to know. When I did that, I found out what I wanted to know. Because I'm going to tell you, when you are a YouTuber, everybody does not have your back. You get me? So you got to watch that. Not only that, I would say is that when you are a YouTuber, let me tell you, listen to me clearly. Listen to me clearly. You have to have extremely tough skin. Because when you are a reactor, the way people come at you, when I tell you, you say something about Chrissy, you say something about Liv, you say something about Jazzy, they go hard. All right? I mean hard. No, you just ain't say nothing about them. Like, you have to have tough skin. When they do it to me, I just be like, fuck you. When they send me a message, I just go right on ahead and delete it. I'm not doing none of that bullshit. I'm not helping you, do that at all. We're not doing that. But what we are doing is we are blocking your fucking negativity. Okay? That's what we're doing. But yeah, with that being said, y'all, I'm getting ready to go ahead and get off of here. I will see you guys in the next video. Later.